If you need to get more leads for your business, like hundreds or thousands of leads, check out today's video breaking down this exact landing page that's getting thousands of leads every single month. And you'll be shocked at the conversion rate. Every single one of these new users went to the landing page and purchased immediately with this 3-step flow I'm going to share with you today. Hey there, my name's Brad Smith, owner of AutomationLinks. Today's video is number 3 out of 12, where we're showing how we're rebuilding our entire business with AI. Now, if you take a look here, we built our website with AI. You can watch those in the previous videos, all the way to today, the landing page that is increasing conversion rates to get more customers. Now, if you want to see a preview of this landing page, comment system down below. Somebody from my team will send it over. Let's not wait any longer. Let's dive in. So if you want to truly get more leads turning into signups, you need a landing page. And a landing page is going to do a few things. It's going to allow you to send your ads to the page. So we have our ads that will drive traffic to this page to promise something. So just like you commented system down below, now we're going to send you to a landing page to give you our offer, which is our free guide and our landing page demo, so you can have instant access. But in exchange, you can collect their name and their email. Now, for e-commerce businesses, you can also do this with a coupon code like this. Now, this page right here helped this company scale easily because they were able to get all of their traffic from organic, social media, and ads to fill out this form and get a percentage off their first order. What it did was it built a relationship. It showed them that they were featured in these strategic publications to build trust. Tell them exactly what to expect after you order. Show some other products. Maybe they came in for one product, but they may be interested in this product. Reinforce the idea with a coupon code. Showed real world reviews so you can actually see what other people are saying and experiencing. And then last but not least, instead of making them scroll to the top, creating this form again at the bottom. The landing pages are a little bit different than a website. We're going to anchor our menu here so they can easily start in the top and they can work their way down without getting lost on the inner pages. We're keeping them engaged and keeping them on this page so they don't leave, so we can get their name and email to get that special offer. Now you want to think about your business, and what you can offer in exchange for a name and email. It has to be valuable, has to be instant, has to be helpful. So what we're going to do is we're going to offer them all of our marketing guides so that they can learn from their ads, how to send the emails, how to update their SEO, how to use YouTube, and how to set up everything around their marketing to get the highest ROI. Now the image should also show exactly what they should receive so they can feel like they already know what's going to happen on the other side. We're going to give you this full dashboard in exchange for your name and email. So you can update your headline to match the copywriting and then show them exactly what they're going to get. Now, the cool thing about landing pages is you can create unlimited landing pages for each one of your ads. Okay, so once you have your ads dialed in, you know exactly what your keywords are, who your audience is going to be. You want to update this to match that. So if I say, hey, law firms, get your free marketing guide here, this should say law firms, get your marketing guide. So you want to match that with your ads, your organic posts, or exactly what you're promising. Now, once you got the top part dialed in, it's time to start being strategic down below. So what we want to do is show examples of either your team to build a relationship or show examples of what you're going to give them. So what we're going to do is we're going to swap these out for guides and downloads that they can see that they can use instantly. You should make it easy for you to swap out images so they can, you or your team can update these consistently so they can see, so you can test and split test for future marketing purposes. So now we've got our banner, we've got our next section showing them exactly what they're going to receive. And then the third section is going to be trust, so they can see that you've been featured, maybe you have a review, maybe you've been cited by another business, or maybe you work with other software companies that people can trust. You want to put organizations, software companies, other types of people that trust you to link here to build that trust. Now, the next thing is you need to show them exactly what to expect when they do join. So once you fill out the form, you're going to get free access. You're going to get the copy and the prompts, and then you can actually launch it and grow it from there. So it's always best to show what they're going to receive so they know what happens after they fill out the form. From there, you want to show them maybe some other products, templates, guides, or offerings that you offer. So maybe they came in for one thing, you can give them a preview of 2 or 3 other things that they might want to work with. And then from there, make it really easy for them to unlock that demo and get to that next page. Show real world reviews and or case studies so they can see exactly the type of people that they can relate to. So if we go all the way back to the top, you decide you want to make this landing page all for lawyers and something that you can give lawyers, you want to then go down and show lawyer templates so they know what to expect. And then other lawyers that have had good reviews with you. And this could be for any type of industry. You just want to make sure they match. Now, right here is not about quantity. You don't need more. You just need 3 strategic ones that match the copywriting based on who you're targeting. And then last but not least, don't make them go all the way back to the top again. You can allow them to fill out the form here. They can actually access it immediately without waiting. And if you take a look, we've created this as an anchor. So you start at the welcome, what's inside, how it works, the templates, the reviews, and they get started and everything's on one page. You can have your website designer do this, and or our team is rebuilding and upgrading businesses with AI, so you can get a duplicate copy of this instantly by buying one of our templates. Okay, so here's the secret sauce. Right here, we're gonna go ahead and put the name in. We wanna make sure this gets auto-filled with the email. And what you wanna do with AI now, you can give instant access and give them results immediately. Don't make them wait around for it, or else they're gonna go and hire your competitor. So you wanna create something that you can give immediate value with. You wanna make sure they go and check and confirm that email to get access. Now, as promised, here's the secret trick. Most people will forget about you. So if you want to take a look at these stats here, a lot of people are going to come as a new user and they can maybe start filling out the form, but they're not all going to check out immediately. So what you need to do is remind them. Now we're doing a few things here. We're reminding them with email. We also want to remind them with retargeting ads. So after they visit this page, that they're going to start seeing the ad. But then if you can get them to subscribe on YouTube, follow you on Instagram, connect with you on LinkedIn, then you can also show them organic posts so they don't forget. From there, once they subscribe and or connect or follow you, they're going to see your organic posts, they should see your retargeting ads, and they should get your emails. And that's how we're truly able to get stats just like this, because now we're making it impossible for them to forget you. So when they are ready to buy, they'll come back and purchase. And then like we promised, we want to make sure we get them right into the dashboard, get them signed up, and get them immediate access from there. But like I mentioned, when you start running ads, you want to make sure that this all makes sense. So if they see this ad or your social media post and they click on this, the landing page needs to show exactly what you promised in that ad. That's going to do a few things. It's going to increase your conversion rates because they feel like I'm in the right place. That's exactly what I was looking for. And it's also going to get your cost per click down because you're providing a higher quality score. And if you can see here, what we want to do is make sure our ads are for top of funnel, middle of funnel, and bottom of funnel so that when they do hit the page, it's optimized perfectly for Meta, X, LinkedIn, Google, Reddit, ChatGPT ads even. And we want to make sure that all of it aligns to get your quality score as high as possible to get your cost per click as low as possible to actually get you these results. Now, what are you waiting for? It's time for you to start upgrading your business with AI and really trying landing pages. So I want to hear more about you and your business. If you could tell me more in the comments, what type of business you have, what your website is, so I can go follow and support you back and we can continue growing together. And if this video brought you any value, it'd be awesome if you subscribe to my channel. I'd appreciate it. I'll subscribe back to yours. If you want to continue following this journey of upgrading business with AI, check out this playlist here so you can go back and watch from start to end. So thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you on next week's video.
Get that money, get that blink. I want everything.